All right, let's use the idea of breaking up numbers into factors and then canceling those out if they're a common factor. Let's use that idea to help us simplify a much more complicated fraction that actually looks a lot like some of the factoring that we've done. In fact, that's what we're going to do. We're going to break up the top and the bottom into their factors, and you can do each one separately, or I'm going to put them up here, and you may want to use the pause button to keep yourself ahead and see if you can do them correctly. Ready? Here's the x's for each one. And then putting those terms into the boxes in the right spots. And then taking the greatest common factors of each row and each column for the top and the bottom. So now we've factored each one. Let's write this fraction now as the factored form. So the top has been factored, and then the bottom has been factored. And take a look at this now. It's something times something. It's x minus 2 times x plus 5. And because it's multiplying, it's not really more than one term anymore. It's really acting like one term. And we have a same factor on the top and the bottom. So we can cancel those out, just like we canceled out the 5s. Now, the top is just x plus 3, and the bottom is x plus 5. And since I don't need those parentheses anymore, I can just not write them. And I've simplified this fraction by factoring it, by breaking it apart and then canceling out some common factors.